Chris. This is week 4 and we're moving on with our mathematics, and this week we'll be looking at rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Now I hope all of us were very familiar with numbers in tens, 10, 20, 30, those numbers. So here we want to work it in a different way, rounding the numbers to the nearest. So here I've got this number line as our concept to understand better how to round the numbers. So here it says rounded down, and here it says rounded up. What do we mean? Now this is what happens. All the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are rounded down to 0. All the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, they are rounded down to 0. Or we mean all these numbers, they are nearest to 0. While here, from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all these numbers are nearest to 10. Nearest to 10, or they are rounded up to 10. As you can see, we are moving forward. We are counting on 5, 6, 7, 8, we are counting on. That's why we are calling them that they are rounded up. While here, 4, 3, 2, 1, we are counting back. That's why we are calling them rounded down. Alright. Now we're moving on. I've drawn this lovely 100 square, but it's a bit quite different because I have added tens this side, so that you shouldn't have problems when you're trying to check rounding down or rounding up. So like I said, that all the numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, they are rounded down to 0, or they are nearest to 0. And all the numbers that are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are all rounded up to 10, or they are all to the nearest 10. Take note of that clue. Now, we don't only have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. We have lots and lots of numbers, as you can see. So, we would like to explore different numbers and by rounding them to the nearest 10. Now, let's come here. 14. 14 is near to what? So, remember the clue. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to give you is all the numbers that have got a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4 at the end. They are all rounded down. That's the clue that I can give you. So let's check out all the numbers that are having a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 at the end. So you can see we've got 11 has got this, 12, 13, 14, up to here. All these numbers from this side, they are all rounded down. While the numbers that are having 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, they are all rounded up. Or we can say all the numbers that have got a 5, a 6, a 7, and 8, and a 9 in them, as you can see here, they are all rounded up. So if you don't mind, you can make this 100 square at your house, so that you should be able to explore rounding down, rounding up, or to the nearest 10. So we are here 14. Is 14 rounding up to 20 or to 10? You will see that with the clue that I've given you up here, you see that 14 is rounded down to 10. Or you can say 14 is nearest to 10. What about 18? 18 is nearest to 20. Remember the clue that I gave you at first. Now, you are going to have these tens, this side and this side, to help you check which one is rounded to what number in tens. Let's just come here, 63. 63, as you can check over here, 63 is rounded down to 60, or we can say 63 is nearest to 10. Remember the clue? All the numbers that are having a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, they always go back to the number that is in tens. So here, our number at the back here is, as we are counting back, is 60. Now let's come here, 67. 67 is rounded up to 70. Why? We are counting on 65, 66, and the next number in 10 is 70. That's how we work out rounding numbers to the nearest 10. So I want you to explore different numbers to help you understand which number is nearing to which 10. I hope it makes sense. Thank you.